my name is Dana Sterling. I'm the Director of Technical Ski Services at Sturdivant's of Sun Valley. In this segment, we'll go over how edges work and how to maintain them to keep them sharp and working properly. Starting with the side edge, the side determines how aggressive the ski can hold a line. A typical side edge angle found on a race ski is set at 3 degrees. To maintain this angle and holding power, you'll need to lightly touch it with a diamond file or other type of mild abrasive using a file guide on a regular basis. It's important to note that using an over-aggressive abrasive, such as a metal file, will unnecessarily remove too much material and shorten the tuning life of the ski. The base edge determines how aggressive the ski will engage and respond to turning. A typical base edge bevel for a slalom ski is set at 0.5, as represented by these file guides, 0.7 for a GS ski, and 1 degree or greater for a speed ski. These base bevels will vary according to athlete ability and technique. Shallower bevels will allow the ski to respond quicker than steeper bevels. It's important to note that to reset or change to a shallower base bevel from a steeper base bevel, the ski must first be reground so that the base and base edge are at 0 degrees. You will not want to use anything abrasive to maintain the base edge of your skis to avoid over-beveling. A hard stone can be used instead to remove burrs and hangers after side edge maintenance. Once the ski erodes to a point where the side edge is sharp, but the ski is slow to respond to turning, it's time to bring the skis into your local shop, have them reground and reset. So here's a list of some basic tools and supplies you'll need to keep your edges in proper working order. Start out with some diamond stones, coarse, medium, fine. You'll need a file guide for your side edge. You'll need a guide for your base edge, preferably some water or some mineral oil lubricant for your stones, a hard stone that is non-abrasive, and a very mildly abrasive gummy stone for fine polishing and deburring. Finally, don't forget to use some base cleaner to clean off any contaminants left from your stones, your gummy stone, or any mineral oil that might be left on the base. Okay, once we have our supplies collected, let's start by taking the ski, putting it in the vise, side edge up. Clamp your appropriate abrasive to the base bevel guide and apply either water or a small amount of mineral oil for lubricant. Next, pull the file down the ski from tip to tail using overlapping passes. Apply a small amount of pressure. You don't need to put too much pressure on. Next, grab your hard stone and run it down the base edge to remove the hanger. Next, grab your gummy stone and adjust the sharpness up in the tip and then again on the tail. Finally, we're going to wipe the ski down with some base cleaner to remove any contaminants and make the ski ready for wax. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, be sure to talk to your coaches, ask your local shop tech if you need any information or if you need to procure any supplies or tools.